Okay, use this tutorial to show you how to get stock footage for your animation video. This is only if you chose not to record your own original footage, which will look really cool in the end. So think twice about it, whether you want to use just stock footage or actually capture your own footage. If you don't have access to a video recorder or whatnot, you can go to WeVideo right here, wevideo.com, sign in. You guys already have an account because we used this earlier on in the year. Just go to login. And the next step is to click on the tab that says Projects. So Projects tab over on the left-hand side, and then you're going to make a new project. So it's this little plus button right here up at the top of the screen. It says Create New Project. You could just type in animation. And then leave the description empty, and it can be a personal film because it's just you making this edit, and then click next. Okay, just scroll through this, click next, and create video. Okay, here we are. So you are now, you have a template for editing. Where you're gonna go for this to get stock footage is up here. There's a little plus or like a star button that says Stock Media. Click on Stock Media. And here's a whole selection of footage that you can choose from. Now you're looking for a video. So if you drop down this tab right here that says all, just select videos because you only want a video. And then you can type in keywords. So maybe your person liked reading. You could type in reading. Maybe they were a basketball player. Maybe they were a singer. Maybe this person was a child and you want something of like kids playing in the park or something like that. So you type in your keyword, and you can tell on all these video files is the length of the video. So some of these videos are like 12 seconds, 8 seconds, 14 seconds, which are going to be too long. So you're going to have to trim it down first. So the way that you do that is you double click on the clip, and over in the preview, it's going to play. You can stop it with this button. You can play with that button. Very cute, but I'm going to need to trim this down. So the way that you can trim it down is one, slide in this slider, and if you notice the number at the bottom of the screen is changing. So now that's less than a 10-second video. You need it less than 10 seconds. So that looks pretty good. And then to get that onto my timeline, I actually have to go to the original source video file and then drag that down. Okay, that's how I would do that. Alternatively, if your clip is longer on your timeline, here, I'll show you with a different clip. Say like I pulled this 21-second clip down to my timeline. I can just hover over the edge of the end of the clip and shorten it until that says 10 seconds. Okay, that's about 10-second video clip. Okay, so that looks good to me. I can drag my playhead to the beginning, press spacebar to play it, see what it's going to look like. Bunch of girls running. That looks fine. Okay, so once you're happy with whatever clip you chose, you come up to the top here. It says Finish, the blue button. And again, title it. You might want to title it Animation or Animation Video, something like that. Click Set. Now, big thing here, you need to check off GIF. We want to download this into a GIF file. And once you make that a GIF, you then want to select the large format because this is your exhibition piece and we want to screen these on a big screen. So you want the large format, HD, and check on both the destination to download and the destination to your drive. So you've got to check both of those. Okay, so check those three things. You've named it, you've clicked on GIF, you've made it a large resolution, and you've selected both destinations as your drive and your downloads, and then click Export. Okay, it's going to take a little while for it to export, to just sit tight. Once it's finished, be sure to find it in your downloads folder and drag it into your MMA folder. If you've not made an MMA folder, you need to do that now. Maybe do it while you're waiting for the video to process. Looks like this one's going to take about 3 minutes. Okay, once it's finished, you're going to get a file that will say animation video and .gif file. So actually I can show you on my desktop. I've already saved one under my rotoscope folder. It will look something like that, video.gif, and it should be a 10-second file. Okay.